How to fix back button not working problem in Android phone. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 Million Ideas YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you that how you can fix back button not working problem. Now guys, what happened is many of the time we face this kind of problem that our back button doesn't work properly. So in that case, I'll suggest you a 3 to 4 solution which will definitely help you to fix this problem. Now guys, what happened is the very first step that you have to follow is restart your mobile. Now what happened is we use a lot our mobile and we don't keep our mobile in switch off condition. So what happened is our mobile becomes very heavy and restless. So our mobile just need a restart once. So after restarting your phone, just check it whether your back button is working or not. If it is working, that's great, but if it is not working, then the second step to follow is go to your mobile settings, and after going to mobile settings, you just scroll up and then go to additional settings, and then you just scroll up and then go to backup and reset, and then click on the reset to factory settings, and then you will get an option here, reset system settings only. Now guys, if you are unable to find this option in your device, then to get this option, a shortcut is just click on the search bar, come to settings, and then click on the search bar and then type reset setting. Type reset settings, and as you can see, here is the option on the bottom. Click reset system settings only, and then you will directly get here. Okay, so guys, from here you can just click on the reset system settings only, and then reset your system settings, and it will automatically reset your backup button, home button, and reset button and all. Okay, your entire mobile settings will be reset in the default settings, and then whatever the problem you were facing regarding the back button, it will be solved. Okay, this is the second method to fix your problem. And then guys, if after doing this, if the problem gets solved, that's great, but if it still doesn't work, then the third option to follow is go to your mobile settings, and then go to software update, and then check whether you have update available on your device or not. Now what happened is sometimes in our recent button and then our home button and our recent button, we get update in our Android software. So what happened is the older version, if we are using the older version, then our mobile start misbehaving and some of the feature doesn't work properly. So in that case, if you have an update, then you just update it and then it will work definitely. And then guys, if if your recent button doesn't work still, then what happened is because of the hardware problem in your mobile, it doesn't work properly. The third problem is that. Okay, so in that case, what you can do, recent app button, search on the Play Store recent button, and then you'll get navigation bar option here. You just click on the navigation bar and then you have to install this, and after installing this, right after your recent and home button, on the upside you will get this option fixed, and then you can use externally. So this is how you can use if your recent button still doesn't work. So this is the alternative of recent button. You can use it from downloading the Play Store. So guys, this is how you can fix the problem. I hope this video definitely helps you. Thanks for watching.